Hi, my name is April Hernandez, and this is my Week 6 presentation. Dianne Feinstein is an American politician who has served as senior United States Senator from California. She is a part of the Democratic Party and has been serving in the Senate since 1992. A fun fact is she became the top Democrat on the Senate Judiciary Committee, the first woman to take on that role. Kamala Harris is an attorney and also serves as a junior United States Senator from California. She grew up during the Civil Rights Movement and till this day is very vocal about it. She is also a part of the Democratic Party. Mark Takano has served as the United States Representative for California's 41st Congressional District. He has been in office since 2013. He is also a part of the Democratic Party. He also has been a part of the Riverside Community College Board of Trustees. He has also been very open about being gay and is proud of it. Jerry Brown, he is serving as the 39th Governor of California. He was sworn in 2011. He is also the oldest governor of California to ever serve. Governor Brown is also a member of the Democratic Party. He has introduced some very liberal ideas and bills that has signed into law, such as AB 1266, which is a School Success and Opportunity Act. Blanca Rubio, she serves as the California State Assembly. She represents the 48th Assembly District. She is also a member of the Democratic Party. Her district includes Azusa, Baldwin Park, Bradbury, City of Industry, Covina, and so forth. She is also a big advocate for children and women, families, and students. She was elected in 2006. The first Riverside Council member is Mike Gardner. He is the Ward 1 City Council representative. He was elected in 2007 and once again re-elected in 2011 and 2015. The Ward 1 region includes the Grand, Wood Streets, downtown, and other northern neighborhoods. Fun fact is he has lived in the same home in the region he is responsible for over 44 years. He is also a volunteer with the Riverside Fire Department. The second member of Ward 2 is Andy Melendrez. He was elected in 2006 and is currently serving in his second term. He is determined in keeping his region safe and therefore attends meetings in Lincoln Park, East Side neighborhoods, and Sycamore Highland. So Ward 3 is Mike Subaru. He was elected in 2013 and re-elected again in 2015. He is currently in his second term. He also owns a small local business and worked for the California Highway Patrol and is as a lieutenant. It's a lieutenant and commander. And Ward 4, that's Chuck Conder. He represents Ward 4 as of June 27, 2017. He served in Air Force and was assigned to March Air Force Base. He's very active in the community and is a board member of Fueled by the Fallen, which is a nonprofit organization that honors the fallen heroes. Chris MacArthur has been representing Ward number 5 since December of 2007. He grew up in Citrus farm family, but they still farm till today. He's a very adamant about preserving Riverside citrus heritage. The next member who serves and represents Ward 6 is Jim Perry. He has been in office since 2013. He also served in law enforcement with Santa Clara County. Finally, we have Steve Adams, who serves and represents Ward 7. He was originally elected in 2004 and reappointed in 2017. He is serving in his second term. He retired from the Riverside Police Department gang and SWAT teams. He was also very active in preserving safety in Riverside, and therefore serves as a member of the Public Safety Committee. For the next slide, we have Riverside Board Supervisors. Kevin Jeffries represents the residents of the 1st Supervisorial District in Riverside. This region covers Lake Elsinore, Woodcrest, Lake Matthews, and Riverside. He was elected in 2012. He also volunteered as a 5 captain in the Riverside Fire Department. In District 2, we have John Tavalon, who was elected in 1994. This area includes Norco, Jurupa, Eastvale, and Corona. In 2002, he was also appointed as a state Supreme Court Chief Justice. In District 3, we have Chuck Washington, which includes some areas like Hemet, Marietta, and Temecula. He is adamant about improving efficiency of his district and protection of the neighbors. V. Manuel Perez serves the 4th District. He is also a part of the Democratic Party and was appointed by Governor Jerry Brown. He is very focused on economic growth and the betterment of healthcare. In the 5th District, we have Marion Ashley. He was elected in 2002 and oversees a budget of $4.5 billion. He also is a part of the March Air Base Joint Powers Authority, which is a booming powerhouse in Riverside. Thank you for watching.